Do you know that with as low as 20,000, you can start up a liquid soap business? Hi everyone, welcome to my page. Yes, with as low as 20,000, you can start up a liquid soap business. So what are you still waiting for? Even though you are not selling it, you can still use it at home. Oh yeah, carry your chair, come sit down, come learn this for free. When you want to buy the chemical in the store, tell them you want to buy a liquid soap chemical. Ask them to number it for you. You see that black chemical I first mix inside bucket, make sure you mix it like that separately. And this other one, this one that is like rice, this second one, make sure you mix this one too separate inside another bucket. After that, you go back to the first chemical you turn inside bucket, which is the black chemical. You make sure you mix it too. The name of all these chemicals, that's why I'm explaining it with their colors and numbers. So inside the big rubber that you want to use, you pick up the first chemicals, which is the number one. You put it inside the water. You make sure you mix it together. After you have done with that one, you pick up the second one. You put the second one inside too. After putting it inside, you turn it also. And make sure you check the chemical before putting it. This is the third chemical, which is the number three. After putting it, you make sure you turn everything together. You turn and well. Then you go in by put the next chemical. After putting the next chemical, you turn that one too. You can see the color, you can see the face of the chemical is changing now, it's coming out. This one is very ash chemical, so I have to separate it first. At this place, I was trying to pieces the ash chemical. I think they call it soda ash chemical. Yes, it's soda ash chemical. So that I can mix it with this the one inside the big rubber. You can see the liquid soap color is coming out now. After that, you go in by putting the next chemical, which is the next number. The next thing to do now is to mix it together. Make sure you mix it together. As you are putting the chemical one by one, make sure you mix it. Yeah, let's go back to our first chemical, which is the black chemical. Then you turn the black chemical, you turn it inside. You turn it to mix it with the one inside the big rubber. Then you put a little bit of water inside the small bucket. You wash it and turn the water inside the big rubber. After that, you go back to the soda ash chemical. You check if the chemical is okay now to turn inside it. Now, I noticed the chemical is okay, so I have to turn it inside the big rubber to mix it together. So what next to put now is the color. Make sure you put it inside another separate rubber first before turning it inside the big rubber. So after that, you turn the color, you turn it inside the soap. You can see the color of the liquid soap has come out. Can you see the liquid soap now? Very easy. After the color, the last chemical to put is the perfume. Perfume is the last chemical to put. After you have done putting all the chemical, what to do next is to mix it together. When you notice it is thick, when you notice it is too thick for you, you can mix a little bit of water to it. So guys, our liquid soap is ready for use. We are done for today. If this video is useful for you, let me know in my comment section. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and comment and share. Let others say bye.